Are you stuck? You sound like a stuck record. I'm sexy and I know it. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yes, I know. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Boing, 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 boing. Yes, what else you got? What else you got? What else you got? Who is it? What are you doing? Who is that pretty bird? What? Hello. Hello. Are you stuck? What else you got? Sing Andy Griffith. Sing Andy Griffith. No? What else you got? How about your tequila song? You sing tequila, tequila, tequila. What else you got? Come on, you're on the air. Time to show off. What else you got? Do 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 do. Tequila, tequila, tequila. How about the rest of the song? Do you know any more of the song, tequila song? Huh? What else you got? Look at that. Tequila, tequila, tequila. Are you a drunk? You don't drink. You've been watching YouTube too much. Haven't you? You've been watching YouTube too much? Huh?